The Japanese startup SkyDrive has developed the SD03 flying car, a cutting-edge solution for future urban transportation. This single-seat, electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) vehicle is powered by 8 electric motors and designed for autonomous, low-altitude, low-speed flights. With compact dimensions, 4 meters in length and width, and 2 meters in height, the SD03 is optimized for navigating urban environments and operating within existing infrastructure. Its electric propulsion system ensures high energy efficiency and produces minimal emissions, aligning with modern environmental standards. A standout feature of the SD03 is its ability to take off and land vertically, enabling operations from building rooftops or dedicated landing pads. To address safety, SkyDrive is incorporating redundant systems and automated flight controls to ensure reliable and secure operation. The XL Copter, developed by Andreas Johnson, is a large, custom-built drone engineered to carry a human. It features a robust propulsion system that includes an Outrunner brushless motor and is stabilized by the DJI Wukong M flight controller, renowned for its advanced flight stabilization capabilities, which are essential for safely handling heavy payloads like a person. Johnson's XL Copter has successfully demonstrated its ability to lift and transport a human passenger, marking it as a significant achievement in manned drone technology. Videos on Johnson's channel showcase the drone in action, emphasizing its stable, controlled flight and the precision enabled by the Wukong M system, even when bearing the additional weight of a rider. Domino's Pizza, in collaboration with Jetpack manufacturer Gravity Industries, has become the first company to deliver pizza via Jetpack. The custom-built jet suit, which cost several $100,000, was used in a test run during the Glastonbury Music Festival in the United Kingdom. A Domino's delivery driver, trained as a Jetpack pilot, picked up pizzas from a nearby location and flew over the festival grounds to deliver them to attendees. When asked if Jetpack delivery would become a regular service, a company spokesperson offered a playful but non-committal response: "All we can say at this stage is that the idea has legs, or wings, or a jetpack." Domino's added that it sees this as a glimpse into the future of ultra-fast food delivery. Popular YouTube vlogger Tucker took to the skies on his paramotor to fly to McDonald's for a burger, a stunt that captured the attention of his fans and highlighted the possibilities of personal flight. Known for his adventurous and adrenaline-filled flights, Tucker shares his experiences on his YouTube channel, where viewers often ask, "Can you really use a paramotor to get to everyday places like work, school, or even a fast food stop?" To answer that, he gave it a try. While he admits that using a paramotor for daily transportation isn't exactly practical, he says it's possible to make spontaneous stops along the way, especially if, like in McDonald's case, there's a good open area for takeoff and landing. A paramotor is essentially a powered paraglider, consisting of a backpack-mounted engine that enables liftoff and flight. These aircraft typically cruise at speeds between 25 and 75 kilometers per hour, depending on the model and weather conditions. Although they can reach altitudes of several thousand meters, most flights stay below 1,500 meters. Flight time generally ranges from 1 to 3 hours, depending on fuel tank capacity and consumption. Paramotoring is considered one of the most accessible forms of powered flight, offering a unique way to enjoy stunning aerial views and explore the world from above. Welcome to the exhilarating world of flyboarding, where athletes perform gravity-defying stunts while soaring up to 15 meters above the water. A flyboard is a water-powered device connected to a jet ski, propelling the rider into the air through a high-pressure stream of water. With this powerful thrust, riders can execute dramatic aerial maneuvers and acrobatics. One of the most iconic tricks is the free bird flight, a daring move where the rider plunges in a steep nosedive from high above, skimming the water's surface before pulling up at the last second. Other jaw-dropping stunts include backflips, vertical spins, and dynamic underwater dives followed by explosive ascents. Mastering the flyboard requires precise control of the water jet's direction and intensity, allowing athletes to perform complex combinations and maintain balance mid-air. These performances demand not only technical skill but also peak physical coordination and fitness, making flyboarding both a sport and a spectacle. American engineer and inventor Hunter Cowell has captured public attention with his innovative take on the flying hoverboard, an advanced personal flight device showcasing remarkable performance. After years of research and development, Cowell unveiled a fully functional prototype capable of lifting a person into the air and maintaining stable flight. The hoverboard functions much like a powerful drone, equipped with 8 large, downward-facing propellers. Its carbon fiber body ensures both strength and lightweight construction. The device can carry a payload of up to 227 kilograms while weighing approximately 340 kilograms itself. It can reach altitudes of up to 150 meters and has a flight time of around 20 minutes per charge. Cowell is actively working on extending this operational time to improve practicality and range. His creation represents a major advancement in personal aerial transportation, highlighting the growing potential of hoverboard-style technology in the future of mobility. After years of research, development, and independent testing, American high-tech inventor Hunter Cowell has unveiled a fully functional hoverboard, and it truly flies. According to Cowell, the device can lift a rider to heights of up to 150 meters. Designed with compactness and stability in mind, the hoverboard offers safe and agile maneuverability in the air. Its custom-built frame is made from lightweight yet durable carbon fiber, and Cowell has integrated industrial-grade components into the chassis, with safety as the top priority. Impressively, the hoverboard can still land safely even if 2 of its 8 motors fail during flight. To control the hoverboard, Cowell uses a remote control system paired with a navigation system certified by the U.S. Federal Aviation Administration, ensuring both precision and regulatory compliance in operation. One of the more intriguing innovations in hover technology comes from the engineers at Hendo, who developed the Hendo hoverboard, a real-life device reminiscent of the flying skateboard seen in Back to the Future Part 2. The Hendo hoverboard uses magnetic levitation technology, relying on 4 motors that generate a magnetic field strong enough to lift the board about 2.5 centimeters off the ground. However, the hoverboard requires a specially prepared surface made of non-ferrous metals like copper or aluminum, as levitation is only possible over conductive materials. The board is capable of supporting an adult rider, with a maximum load capacity of around 100 kilograms. One limitation, however, is its battery life. The hoverboard can only operate for about 7 minutes on a single charge. Aquatic Aviation has developed a remarkable invention that lets users quite literally fly above the water, the Flyboard. This innovative device has redefined water-based entertainment, offering a thrilling combination of flight and aquatic adventure. The Flyboard is connected to a jet ski via a long, high-pressure hose, which channels a powerful water jet to propel the rider up to 10 meters into the air. Riders can perform stunning aerial tricks and even dive below the water's surface. Control is achieved through body movements, leaning forward or backward changes direction, while shifting weight from side to side allows for turns. Initially, thrust is managed by an operator on the jet ski, but with an optional electronic control kit, riders can regulate power themselves. The Flyboard also features a jet stabilization system, helping beginners quickly find their balance and gain confidence in midair. It's a dynamic blend of sport and spectacle, offering an unforgettable experience on the water. The Japanese company NBC has announced the successful test of a prototype flying vehicle, drawing attention with its dramatic liftoff. The helicopter-like prototype weighs 148 kilograms and measures 3.9 meters in length, 1.3 meters in height, and 3.7 meters in width. During a test flight at a designated site, the vehicle rose approximately 3 meters off the ground and hovered briefly. Equipped with 4 rotors, it closely resembles a large quadcopter in appearance. Despite being labeled a flying car, the designation is generous. The vehicle features 3 small wheels, but it currently lacks the road capabilities or speed needed for practical ground transportation. A test video shows the craft taking off with a loud roar from its propellers and noticeable body wobble, indicating that flight stability remains a challenge. While NBC engineers are not yet ready to claim the vehicle can sustain stable flight, the successful liftoff marks a promising step forward. It highlights the growing potential of personal aerial mobility and underscores the significant development opportunities in this emerging field. The concept of a flying hoverboard has captured imaginations for decades, with many eagerly awaiting the arrival of this futuristic mode of transportation. In March 2014, the company Hovertech released a viral video showcasing a functional flying hoverboard, reminiscent of the iconic device from Back to the Future Part 2. The video quickly sparked excitement and fueled hopes for the imminent arrival of real hoverboard technology. However, it was later revealed that the video had been staged. Hovertech was a fictional company, and the footage was created using special effects as part of a marketing campaign. This revelation left many fans disappointed, as they had believed a real hoverboard was on the horizon. Now, 11 years later, the landscape has changed. Several companies featured in that video have since developed their own versions of flying hoverboards. Thanks to significant technological advancements, the dream of flying hoverboards is closer to becoming a reality than ever before. During a recent demonstration in open waters aboard the patrol vessel HMS Tamar, the latest advancements in amphibious deployment and boarding operations were showcased, featuring the revolutionary gravity jet suit. The joint exercise involved units from both 42 and 47 Commando of the United Kingdom Royal Marines, with support from the Research and Technology Centres, Kinetic and Steel. Developed by the British company Gravity Industries, the Gravity Jet Suit is an innovative personal flight system designed for rapid, high-precision deployment. It is equipped with 5 miniature jet turbines that enable vertical takeoff and highly maneuverable flight at speeds of up to 85 km per hour. Control is achieved by shifting body weight and coordinating arm movements, with 2 of the jet modules mounted on the arms and the main engine positioned on the back. In the exercise, soldiers wearing the jet suit demonstrated its ability to swiftly approach a moving vessel, covering the distance in just seconds. This groundbreaking technology introduces a new dimension to boarding operations, particularly in scenarios where time is of the essence, weather conditions are challenging, or traditional methods are impractical. Engineers at Kittyhawk have developed the Flyer, a single-seat, electric aircraft designed for vertical takeoff and landing, specifically built for travel over water. The Kittyhawk Flyer is powered by 10 electric propellers and runs on batteries, offering a quiet, environmentally friendly flying experience. It has a maximum speed of 32 km per hour and a flight time of up to 20 minutes. Constructed from carbon fiber and lightweight composite materials, the aircraft is both strong and light, weighing just 113 kilograms. With a minimum flight altitude of 0.9 meters, the Flyer is engineered for ease of operation, with the developers stating that a pilot can learn to fly it in just a few hours. However, it is not intended for urban use and is specifically designed for water-based flights.